Wine, illusions, and ice cold AC, say less. And this isn't your typical museum night. The Summer Wine Series is back at the Museum of Illusions in Scottsdale.
Let's go.
I mean, who else is trying to beat the heat right now in Arizona? This is a 21 plus only event, and it goes down the last Thursday of every month this summer, and it's perfect for a date night, girls night, or just something totally different. Trust me, this series tends to sell out, so make sure you snag your ticket, and hopefully I'll see you at one of the events.